Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to refresh or upgrade the door sills on your BMW? I'll show you how. Alright, so let's talk about this project really quick on reasons why you might want to do this on your car. And this really is BMW model agnostic. They're all pretty much the same. Now I'm going to be using my G87 M2 today, but you really can use this for almost any BMW out there as long as you find the right door sills for your particular car. Now the door sills are that strip of metal or plastic on your doorstep, right, as you open your door. And it is one of the most common places to get scuffs and scrapes. It gets really dirty and get dirt ground in and generally just look bad. So as you get into your car might even be clean, but if your door sill's all torn up, kind of makes your car look bad. So this could be refreshing your car to make it look new again with OEM, your regular door sills, or you could be doing an upgrade like I am in my case. I really wanted the M Performance carbon fiber door sills on the M2, but the process is exactly the same. This is going to be like a 5-minute install. It's really, really simple, but I wanted to show you how to do it to make sure that you could do this yourself if you want to refresh your car. All right, we're going to start on the driver's side. I'm only going to do one side because they're exactly the same. So let's get started on this side and I'll show you what to do. All right, so this is going to be a really easy replacement. Now in this case, I've got a little crease right here in the body, which is a great place to get a plastic trim tool in. And I'm always going to use plastic on this because what I don't want to do is scratch up my paint. So if need be, you could always use a microfiber rag underneath your plastic trim tools as well. But then you're just going to want to just work it, start popping those clips free. Once you have enough off, you can just use your hands and walk down the line and pop them off one at a time, just like that. Okay. So now when you look, so you can see these little posts, and the new one comes with new posts as well, which is good because a couple just stayed behind. If you look, the center ones came out, but you can still see the little white plugs of the previous still left here. So make sure and go ahead and take it. If you have any that stayed behind, make sure to pull those out. When you get that done, you're going to take the new one, and it comes with its own bag. So I'm not going to reuse those posts. I'm going to use new ones. They slide in all these slots. You just reverse it into the correct orientation in this case, line up the holes, and just smack it down into place. It really is that simple. Okay, so I'm going to grab my plastic trim tool, get these these plastic rivets out, put the new ones in. I'll show you that, and then you're going to be done. All right, so just have all 6 of these little white posts in place. You can just take it and line them up with the holes in the body. You'll feel when they'll start to slot in. If you have to, you can move it around a little bit to make sure that they slot in nicely. But you should feel them go right into the existing holes. So this one, yeah, there we go. And then once they're in place, bang, just clip it right into place just like that. Make sure that it's down nice and flush. The back lip kind of wants to hold up a little bit, so just make sure that that's pressed down nicely, like that, and good to go. So bang, you've got your refresh or you've got your upgrade. Looks really good. If you haven't done the other side yet, make sure to go ahead and do that. And then you're all done. All right, all done. So as you can tell, as far as like repair or upgrade projects, this is about as easy as it comes. It should take you like 5 minutes or less. But I'm a big believer in really maintaining my car and maintaining that new look as much as I possibly can. So if you do have door sills that are torn up, this is a great way to kind of visually refresh your car, which I always love to do myself. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It honestly makes a difference to my channel. And I have a ton of content coming, especially G87, that I cannot wait to show you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next project.